Alright everybody, not sure if you can hear me or not, but another fun and exciting episode. This one's a little different. We're going to watch all the boats with Chuck from the rooftop. So look at this view. Isn't that amazing? Look at this. That water is so pretty. I'm having a hard time seeing what's on my screen because the glare is so bad from up here, but looks like we got a couple of motorcycles down there. We got this guy coming out. Looks like he's gonna have fun. There's a boat over here coming out. It's the parasail boat. But that's like all the boats. Got the little ferry over to Little Palm Island. A restaurant over there called Latitudes. Wonderful. They have truffle fries. They're amazing. Alright, well, there you go. From the looks of it, that's alright.